Mom, you're on camera. Say hi. No, just say hi.
Hi.
I love you.
I love you. Who am I saying I love you to?
You're saying I love you to Linda and Levon. Linda, say hi. Hi.
Goodbye now. It was nice talking to you.
Blow us kisses.
Is that to you, Rory?
No, that's to me. I want all your kisses. Oh, Linda stole it. You got it, huh?
You better catch it.
Catch it to you.
Got it.
Okay, that's enough of that camera. Yeah, is that alright with you tomorrow?
Sure. Whatever you want, Mom. That sounds good. Have a date night? Just you and Raj?
What date?
Good job, kid. Good job.
How far did you run today?
And then we can go.
Miles.
You want us to check in?
Yeah, do that, please.
Okay.
Yeah, you need to check in.
You gonna take a nap?
Yep.
I love you, Mom.
Need to check in? Love you, honey.
Yeah, you do need to check in.
Okay, I'll check in with you. Be like other kids that
Yeah, I
don't
don't know if
freaking
it's
check
recording.
in.
Really?
Yep.
We're so good, though. Are you talking about
Am I talking about what?
who checking in?
Kids checking in now, or? I never had just kids check in.
No, we just had to be home in 2 minutes. every hour. That wasn't checking in.
Bet you did do what you had to do. I got lipstick on me.
You have lipstick on you. You gonna get a bath tonight?
Need a tissue, Mom?